They have a good record in T20 of late. Much better winning percentage than West Indies. But this is India outside their comfort zone. That's another wide. Got 206 or 207 as the target in 2009. But off late, their run chases has been around 150, 180. Virat Kohli batting at 3.
That's Kohli.
They'll be happy to see what's happening out there. 33 for 1. Oh, it's a good ball.
Very well bowled. This is a fine spell. Just 2 runs from this over. India falling back here. See if there's any impact that Kieron Pollard's as captain is going to have. Critical. There's another. This is the captain himself.
Catch him!
There he goes, all along the ground. 4. Very hard, straight back in an area you hardly ever find a fielder. Another stop. This West Indies team have been good in the field today. 6 of this over. It's a good leave. Just earned yourself an extra ball and a run for nothing. Still gets back to ball. Excellent placement. Very difficult shot to time, but it was the placement that was the key.
The intention was always to hit it up and over. There again. It's a good over for India, 76 for 1.
Just 1. Played for India, donned the national colours.
Does that well. That's what you're looking to close things out as a bowler. Halfway mark. 89 for 1. Walsh Jr. Again, another big effort from Virat Kohli, but only a single. Off the bottom edge, will run away for 4. But again, it's another muscular attempt from Virat Kohli.
Hey.
We talked about Hayden Walsh. Top edge all the way for 6. No problems with that. 100 comes up for India. Four follows the 6. A real gift. This time for Kohli. He's asking about the height of it. Good over for India. 14 off it. 110 for 1.
Okay, here's my theory, as I always have on Virat Kohli. So finding the batsman struggle for timing is slightly unusual. They're running their singles hard.
I think you need to give them credit as well.
Again, striving, really digging deep for power, timing. Is it getting to him? That we've seen this happen 3-4 times. There was Scotland involved once. Something in between balls. Yeah, and the bottom man coming into play will get a single.
ball, well ball.
Virat Kohli really struggling today. Again, an attempted lofted shot at the leg side, gets a couple of runs.
To beat the man in the outfield.
Well ball, KP, well ball, well.
You can clearly see the bottom hand is coming in too much. Right, Virat Kohli on 44. And this one is where the bottom hand hasn't taken over. And that brings up the 50 as well for Virat Kohli. Like Rahul, he may not celebrate it too much, but hopefully this might just change the trajectory of his batting graph.
From his stable of shots.
Here's another one, intentionally played. Not like a couple of shots earlier that we saw. Look at him. Trying to find the Yorker. Virat Kohli one strike. It's obviously growing in confidence. Does well to keep it down to single. Virat Kohli happy to let Rishabh Pant have the rest of the over. 6 and a 4. He has it. He has it. The golden touch has come back.
Here again, if you look at it, he didn't try and overhit it.
Well, this time is the bottom hand, but with great control. It's just a dismissive flick for 6. And that strike rate has now gone up to 167.5. Virat Kohli is now taking off in Hyderabad.
Stunning shot. A bit of an uppercut with the bottom hand.
I love the reaction, because every time Kesrick Williams gets a wicket, he takes out his scorebook and puts the name of the bowler. And that's exactly what he's trying to mimic. Yeah. I do remember Chadwick Walton doing that to Kesrick Williams after hitting him.
He's just got the optimum strength in every shot.
This is a big over for the West Indies. Kohli is happy to take a single. Kohli just teed off. First 9 balls he made 3. Then he's made 65 of 32. He's been excellent today, Sheldon Cottrell. Wide, not much good. Not much good. He's got all of that. This is one of the defining shots. Not quite as dramatic as the one that soared into the night sky over mid-wicket, but will do over square leg for 6. He's walking this game now.
Where the bat goes over the left shoulder. There, nicely done. Just a single. I thought he's going to have another goal.
Oh, timing. The ball has just left the bat so beautifully. It's not always that a single makes you go wow. Kesrick Williams. Virat Kohli. Surely they're going to come back for 2. Yes, they are. And he goes over, cover for 6. 200 comes up for India. Who would have thought that 200 you just walk it? It's that kind of ground this. But Virat Kohli is that kind of player. It's the gap for 2. Run, Shivam, run. He can jog back.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. The winning hit from the captain.
He has anchored a 207-run chase to win a game with 8 balls left. Kesrick Williams none for 60. But this is a little masterpiece from Virat Kohli, and I say little only because there have been so many in his career. He used, as Sunil Gavaskar said, the top hand and the bottom hand. Used his wrists through mid-wicket and through cover. But this is the innings of a master. That's why he is a modern legend.
And you think he was 20 from 20 and the acceleration began. Brilliant.